forget other things to study, other main things to study, where, you know,
You have put
your
on
merit number will come from.
earphone.
Yeah. So, is there any difficulty you are getting or what?
Could you remove?
I removed it. I removed it now. I think it is better now. Huh?
Yeah.
Much better.
What were you saying?
It is much better.
No. Before. Just
Before.
before. What were you explain?
Oh, okay. What actually I was telling
What
is.
were you explaining?
Yeah. I got you. I'm telling. What actually I was telling you that, you know, Hindi and English, that is the qualifying paper only, isn't it?
Yeah, and the merit
Merit paper will be another one, like
and
whether it is the
another two papers, including two paper.
yeah. So
मतलब
in
कि
qualifying paper, basically, you don't have to give much time. Okay, much time actually you have to give on what paper where your merit numbers or good numbers basically will come from. Okay,
what did you say?
what I'm saying is that on qualifying paper like Hindi or English, you don't have to give the much time on it. Okay,
How can I give? How cannot I give much time?
means obviously you should give, but not
You
as
know,
as the other paper.
if qualify, if I am not able, if I am not able to pass in that paper Hindi and English,
Let
then
me let me
another paper not will be checked.
Okay, but the thing is that you have that potential, you can pass.
Hmm.
Not very tough, na. It is not like that. On if you are studying every day, like 10 hours. Okay, I got you. At least 10 hours, suppose. Okay, and on 10 hours you are studying only qualifying paper 5 hours, and that is not a good calculation, na.
Hmm.
Only 2 hours is I think enough, and 8 hours you have to study another paper, na. Where actually the merit number will come from. Hmm? Did you get my point or not?
Repeat.
ओ भाई साहब, हम ये बोल रहे हैं कि जैसे जो मेरिट पेपर होता है जहाँ से नंबर आएगा बेसिकली, जो जहाँ से
Speak in
मेरिट,
English.
हाँ, उस
Speak,
नंबर मान लिया जाए दिन में अगर 10 घंटे आप पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है.
speak in English.
No, let me make you understand in Hindi and in later than in Santali.
This conversation I am going to upload in my channel.
No, don't upload. Who is this guy? Huh?
Did you listen?
Listen. So,
I'm going to upload. I'm going to upload this conversation on my channel.
the rest people know who is this guy. Huh? They will understand. Obviously, they will not be able to recognize my voice.
Let's talk in proper way.
Listen me, na. Let me say in Hindi, and then later on I will make you understand in Santali as well. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि जो है, जैसे कि आप मान लीजिए 10 घंटे पढ़ते हैं दिन में, तो 5 घंटा 6 घंटा क्वालिफाइंग पेपर में देने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि वो तो क्वालिफाई पेपर है, वो तो थोड़ा बढ़िएगा तो भी हो जाएगा. आपको कहाँ पे ये ज्यादा पावर देना है, ज्यादा समय देना है, जिसमें जो मेरिट नंबर जहाँ से आएगा, जहाँ से आप क्वालिफाई करेंगे. समझ गए ना.
हिंदी और इंग्लिश पास नहीं करते हैं तो वो दोनों आपका पेपर चेक नहीं होगा.
मुझे पता है, लेकिन पास के लिए आप 5-5 6-6 घंटा दिन में दीजिएगा तो वो मुझे नहीं लगता है कि, हाँ, अगर दी बेसिक से बिल्कुल भी कमजोर है तो फिर उसके लिए अलग बात है. बट क्या पूछेगा हिंदी इंग्लिश में, क्या ही पूछेगा, ग्रामर पूछेगा, यही सब पूछेगा, और क्या पूछेगा. वो ये एक पैराग्राफ देगा, वहां से क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको करना है. वो तो थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस के बाद हो जाएगा. सिर्फ थोड़ा सा ग्रामर आपको देखना है, देर सेट हो गया.
सिलेबस दिया गया है.
हाँ, वही सिलेबस के अंतर्गत आपको.
Syllabus has been given.
Yeah, I got it. I got you.
Syllabus has been given.
No problem, I can understand. But the thing is that only, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, man.
Hmm.
Go ahead. Keep saying.
Keep saying, what will I say for further? Hmm?
Mm. No, it's left.
Yeah?
Now it's left. My
But
second opportunity.
yeah, you have second opportunity now because I think you would have, what do you call, qualified if you had practiced a little more, isn't it? Hmm?
Little more.
If you had practiced a
Yeah.
little more, like if you had practiced say, 2 or 3 months before or something like that, I think you would have qualified. Very.
Mm, but
And if you had regular, but you were not regular, na?
the way I should have practiced.
Right?
The way I should have practiced, I didn't practice that way.
Yeah. Very, very.
Otherwise, my syllabus
Yeah,
will be completed till now.
yeah. That is, I am very much agree with you. Like the way you should have practiced, you didn't.
Yes, and now I have left.
तो अब पता ही होत किया जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत.
Now I have left very little time.
Yes, and you have very less time.
And Sohrai program also.
Let the Sara program come now. So what you have to do in that? That day only you have to give time on that program itself and nothing else. Or you are the organizer basically.
I already told you.
What
I
did you?
have I have told you already.
What?
Organizer.
For the organizer who are the organizers?
Huh?
Are you organizer or what?
Huh?
Are you organizer or member of that committee?
Yeah, I have become a member.
Oh my god. Then it is little bit difficult. No? Obviously, you have to give the time on that also. Like people call you on the meeting, Chatur, come. They will call you again. So you have to take care this part. आपको ये आपको जो है ना ये वाला आपको पंडाल से संबंधित आपको ये सब देखना है या कुछ भी हो.
And I have got post of Sachiv secretary.
सचिव सेक्रेटरी
Secretary.
सचिव जी ना
Bhumika. What is called in English? Bhumika.
भूमिका रोल.
How will be Bhumika? How will be role of my?
Yeah, how will my role be?
How will my role be
हाँ,
in Sohrai program?
हाँ. साला मेरा कहाँ चला गया जी वो. I'm not getting वो.
Say man, say.
I'm not getting knife, Chatur.
You are not getting knife.
How will I chop this onion?
Search properly. Maybe you have you have kept somewhere. Try
Yeah,
to remember.
little I'm not. Where did
Really, I am going to upload.
I? No, don't upload.
Why are you annoyed.
No. But
Why are you dining?
the thing is that there is
आप
no video, na, only
how will say in English? Mom, आप मना क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why are you
why are you having food? Why are you taking dinner? Why are you taking lunch?
not taking? आप मना क्यों कर रहे हैं उसको
Oh,
इंग्लिश में?
sorry, हमको खाना क्यों कर रहे हैं? हमको ऐसा लगा.
I want to upload this video, so why are you?
Why are you denying this?
Yeah, why are you denying? Please.
You can upload obviously. Okay, upload, no problem. I can manage. Not manage, we say okay, no problem. Because I am nobody will able to understand now who the person is.
Yeah.
But literally, believe
By
me,
the
I'm
by,
the knife.
by the way, you don't want to come on video calling. So at least you can.
But obviously you can upload. Oh, I got it. It is beneath that what do you call furnace, electric furnace, not electric furnace, this is normal furnace. Okay, I got it over here. Who put over here, man? I'm searching like crazy person.
So let's enough for today. So
Yeah.
आज इतना ही बात करते हैं. इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे?
Huh?
आज इतना ही बात करते हैं. इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे?
Yes, today it's enough. So we'll talk later.
Okay then, let's enough for today and we'll talk later.
Okay, good.
If,
Then I get ready for the office because it is going to my office time.
and also I have to be fresh.
Huh? What?
I have to be fresh. मुझे भी fresh होना है.
Yes.
I have to be fresh. Okay then.
To be simply be, you can't simply use. I have to. That's it, isn't it? I have to phrase. That's it.
Okay then. Now I have to press and you also.
Yeah. I'm ready for the office. I don't think I will take bath now because it is.
You also have to leave for the office.
No, I have to ready first. Like.
You already have ready.
No. I have to get ready now because I'm looking for taking bath. Whether I will be taking bath or not, it is little bit cold, and I don't have any geyser, any something like that. So I think I will not take bath today.
So now what will you do?
I will get fresh. Means I will fresh myself. Nahana. It's not nahana, only simple.
And then you have to leave.
I will go. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.